Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This will probably be just as short as yesterday's video because there also wasn't any setups for me today, nothing really clear in my opinion. On this daily chart, still expecting, still keeping in mind that there's this monthly fair value gap where we could see price draw towards. But if we're looking at this range, the fact that we reacted so bullishly off this low at early in the week, I was looking for the swing high, but as we developed in the week, we just didn't really seem to have that bullish momentum. So going into today, this is already the end of the session, but price was like up here, and there wasn't really anything for me because if I wanted to have a framework to look for setups, like for long setups, back up to the range high here, I'd want to see a previous day low SMT, but as you can see, all three assets closed below previous day low, so there wasn't a previous day low SMT, so I couldn't really look for that framework of a previous day low SMT from the new week opening gap and take it higher to this range high. And also, we didn't fully disrespect the new week opening gap, so I can't really have a strong enough framework to look for sells, because my idea was, if today price closed below it and remained below it, we could look for SMTs on the highs to take it lower down here. But today was like a weird in-between day, didn't have any of those setups present itself, so I just didn't take any trades. Also, when we go to the 50-minute chart, all assets closed above 50-minute, so there was no SMTs on the highs to even be a part of. Not that I was looking for anything, but basically nothing really of substance today. Now looking at price, now that's the end of the day, not the end of the day, but later in the session, we can see that price was up here at the start of the session and we really pushed lower, disrespected all this bullish price action we had put in, and we have closed again below the new week opening gap. So if we can, it doesn't seem like we're supporting off this new week opening gap, so going into Monday, I think I would be looking out for this swing low over here as a target, because if we can see price kind of remain down here, and then we get some SMTs on the highs, I'd probably look for that continuation back to this range low. But yeah, that's about it for me. Even though it was a bit of a a bit of a choppy week, I still ended up $850 in profit, which is not bad. Took 3 trades. But yeah, basically I think the performance was pretty good. It's good to stay out when things aren't clear, and just be patient for when better days come. So yeah, that's about it. I hope that was insightful, and I'll see you Monday.